Well, we got a bit further. There's a... Oh, it's in the boot, isn't it? So this is like... Oh, that bit there's an engine mount, and plus it's got an idler pulley, and plus behind it you can see the wheel which went on the pump housing. Well, it's a pump pulley, isn't it? Yeah, so that's 4 bolts there. Yeah, you can see the foot. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 that held that on, which is actually separate to the actual water pump. And I'm going to have to remove that because I can see that the metal for the timing cover also includes the pump. You know, I mean, why design it like that? Why don't you just simply make the metal for the timing cover separate? Do you know what I mean? I mean, there's no consequence to actually having it as the same part. You know, the pump would be further in. And this is an engine mounting. It attaches to an engine mounting here. So why they actually made that as part of the pump housing, part of the timing cover, I don't know. And it is part of the timing cover because that's the metal for the timing cover. You see? Why the timing cover isn't just that bit there, you know? And then these bits are separate, I don't know. Why did they make that all part of the same housing? I might double check it again because some guys are basically taking one of these apart out of a car. So I might double check it, but I don't think it is like that. I think that the timing cover also includes all of this, which is stupid. I mean, that means you have to take all this shit off to get the timing cover off. Why would you even do that? Why would you even design it like that? I mean, why do you have to take the timing cover off to get the cylinder head off? Why can't you just separate it there? And then make this all part of the cylinder head? You know, doesn't make sense to me. They made the timing cover there. You know, I mean, it's nothing to take a rocker cover off. Nothing at all, right? So if you had to take, and if you have to replace the timing chain, well, you could just take the camshafts out, can't you? Maybe. I mean, that would be much easier than getting this timing cover off, than getting all this assembly off, because I can see those bolts, they're easy. You know what I mean? I don't know. Just seems a bit shit. Yes, you'd have to take the timing cover off. I don't know, I'm just trying to think about this now. If you have to take, if you make that a separate housing then, if you want to do it that way, just make it so that separates out from the cylinder head. Yeah, or something, and do it that way, because there's no this is an easier job. If I now, right, I'm at the point now, I just have to get the exhaust separated, and then I can lift the cylinder head off, right? Except for now, I have to spend all this time undoing all of this shit, including the crank pulley, and all of that shit's got to have to come off now because this timing cover has to come off. So that makes this a big job now. Because I can't get to all that shit. This I can get to, but that I can't. You know, it's like, why are you doing it like that? You're not considering that somebody might replace a head or a head gasket or do some servicing of the head while it's in the car. You have to take the engine out in order to do that. Why make people do that? It's pretty much the way it is, isn't it? Stupid.